Good morning, my viewers. This is Martin Buba, your history teacher, presenting to you the Balkan crisis. Welcome. But before then, for more essays, for more queries, for specific orders on academic assistance, to order your thesis today, your dissertation, your term paper, log into www.ssbeast.com. There you are. You belong there for specified assistance. Welcome. Now today I want to look at the Balkan crisis. The Balkan crisis. We have got three objectives in this lesson. Number one, I want you to understand the importance of the Balkan crisis to the relationships between the superpowers. Number two, I want to take you through the membership of the Balkans, who made the Balkan group of countries. Number three, I want to take you through the reasons why there was a crisis in Balkans. Welcome. There we go. Okay. Now, the Balkan crisis. To start with, it's paramount that you understand the region. What was the Balkans? The Balkans was a region that was previously under the Turkish rule. The region had been for so long part of the Ottoman Empire, right? It was part of the Ottoman Empire. Now, the Balkans and membership of such countries as Serbia, Montenegro, Kosovo, Croatia, name them. There are many. There are up to, there's so many countries making up the Balkans. Now, the other thing that you should know is why there was a crisis in Balkans. Why was there a crisis in Balkans? Now, the region had for so long been under Turkish rule. Remember, Turkey was not part of the Big Six. Turkey was not a superpower, meaning that Turkey didn't have the capacity to rule the region effectively. Turkey did not have the resources. It was not a major power, so they lacked the basic, the amount of money, the weapons, the might, the power to administer the region effectively. Therefore, the great powers, namely Germany, Austria-Hungary, and Russia, were waiting for a chance when Turkey won't be able to effectively administer the Balkans so that they can take over. Meaning what? The big three were superpowers. They had the capacity in terms of preparedness, in terms of economy, in terms of political might. They were up the capacity. So the three countries, Germany, Austria-Hungary, and Russia, waiting for a chance when Turkey would not be able to administer Balkans, then they can take over, right? Now, up to now, you have understood the membership of the Balkans, a brief history that it was under Ottoman Empire and under Turkish rule. Then, Turkey was not able to administer the region fully. So, three major powers waited for a chance when Turkey would not be able to administer the region. Well, are we there? Good. Yes. Take a second. Reflect about that before I take you to the next step. Alright. Now, the question is, did the mighty powers get a chance to express their might to Balkans? The answer is Indeed, they got. Now, a chance came up when there were there were wrangles, there were uprisings in Serbia. Serbia was one country that comprised the Balkans. So in Serbia, they were uprising. The Serbs rose against the master, the Turkish rule. The Serbs were demanding for their independence. Now, at that point, when they were uprising, there were unrests in Balkans. The superpowers got now a chance that they had long waited for to come in and try to administer the region. Are we there? Yeah, so the superpowers have got a chance that was presented by the fact that there were crises, there were wrangles in Serbia. The Serbs were demanding for the independence from, of course, the Turkish rule. Now, the other question is, why were the major powers interested with Balkans? To start with, why was Austria-Hungary interested with the share of Balkans? Now, Austria-Hungary had one major interest, that they wanted to get more land along the coastline. More land to them would mean more ports. And of course, we know the advantages of having a port. A port is useful, for receiving of imports via the ocean, via the sea. The port will give a docking point for ship. That was the main reason why Austria-Hungary wanted a share of Balkans. Number two, Germany. Why was Germany interested with the share of Balkans? Easy. That Germany from the onset was very ambitious. Germany wanted a share of Balkans to gain in terms of economy. They wanted to gain more economic strength through strengthening their industries. Now, to Germany, Balkans would mean getting more raw materials for the industries. Number two, getting market for the manufactured goods. So, in summary, Germany wanted to enhance the economy through getting raw materials and selling their manufactured goods to the Balkans. That's the reason they wanted to dislodge Turkey from Balkan. Number three, Russia. Russia was interested with Balkans because of one reason, that for Russia, Balkans were more or less relatives to them. Balkans were relatives of Russia in the sense that they shared similar culture, similar customs, similar beliefs, similar language. So, to Russians, they wanted a share of Balkans because they shared similar traditions, similar culture, similar language. To them, they felt that the Balkans were part of us. We shouldn't allow Germany or Austria-Hungary a share of Balkans because they belong to us. They are more of Russians, because we are sharing many things in common. Therefore, can you try to figure out the crisis now? The crisis is coming in the sense that three main European powers, that is Austria-Hungary, Russia, and Germany, are interested with one region, the Balkans. They are interested in the Balkans. So, who among the three will be willing to swallow the pride? Who will be willing to let the opponent take over Balkans? That presents the crisis that would eventually lead to the World War I. There you are. You've not understood why there was crisis in Balkans. You've not understood the members of the Balkan group of countries. You've not understood that the Balkan was a region, that was previously under Ottoman Empire and under Turkish rule. You've been able to understand that there was a rest in Balkans as Serbs were uprising, demanding for the independence. That one, the Rangos now bringing a chance that was long awaited by 3 European powers to take over the Balkans. Thank you so much for watching. I'm your teacher, Martin Buba. Remember to subscribe for more assistance. To get your ICs, log into ssbeast.com. Thank you.